Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making one of our favorite alcoholic drinks, peanut punch. I'm sure some of you have never heard of that before, huh? Peanut punch is a traditional drink from my home island of Dominica. For this drink, I use half a large jar of peanut butter, 2 cans of condensed milk, Captain Morgan white rum, you gotta have rum, nutmeg, Angostura bitters, and vanilla extract. In a large pot, I put 6 cups of water to boil, and then I added half the jar of peanut butter. To get a thicker consistency, more peanut butter can be added. Once the peanut butter has been added, you're probably wondering what's next, right? I'm stirring the mixture until all the peanut butter has melted, and then I will leave it to cool for a bit, and then once it has cooled down, I will strain the mixture about 4 to 5 times through a fine mesh strainer just to get any excess chunks out of it. Once I am done with straining, I will add the additional ingredients, and you'll see me do that in a little while. Okay, now it's time for the good stuff. So here I am adding 2 cans of condensed milk. This will also add to the thickening of the mixture. You can add more than 2 cans if you'd like. However, the recipe that I found calls for 2 cans, so I just followed that to the T. The recipe that I found was actually a recipe from Dominica. It's called Victoria Burton's West Indies Punch, Peanut Punch, and yeah, so I followed that to the T. It calls for the boiling and everything, so I just decided to do that. I know the picture in the beginning shows a blender. I did not use the blender. This is actually my first time making peanut punch, and it came out pretty good according to everyone that tasted it. Right here, I just put 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to put a dash of Angostura bitters, just a dash. And then I am going to put nutmeg in there. I'm just gonna grate it, about half of the nutmeg, and yeah. So once that is done, I will mix it a little bit, and then it's time to add the rum. Now you can add rum to taste. Right here I'm only going to show I'm putting 2 cups of rum into the mixture, but actually I ended up putting 4 cups because every time I tasted it, it just didn't have enough, you know. And being from the Caribbean, we really like our alcohol, so I'm sure other people will probably follow the same thing. The recipe actually calls for a 3/4 cup of rum. That's not enough, entirely not enough. So Victoria Burton girl, you need to add more rum to your peanut punch, okay? Just an FYI. And that's it. I mean, how easy was that, right? Now I am just storing it into these glass bottles that I got at Michael's. I'm using a funnel so that it can be easily poured in there. As you can see, the consistency is actually not that thick, which is fine because once I put it into the fridge for a little while, it got a little bit thicker. So that was good. And that's really it. It was pretty simple. It didn't take that long. It was my first time making peanut punch. I really hope that this video was helpful and maybe you can make your own version of peanut punch. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.